Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve Wi-Fi option not showing in settings on Windows 10 or 11. So as we can see, we have this Wi-Fi icon and it shows Wi-Fi is connected. But in case this Wi-Fi icon is not showing or you are not able to connect your Wi-Fi, your internet connection with your laptop or desktop. So to resolve this problem, you can try this method. First one, search services. So open services. Now scroll down and you have to find out this WLAN auto config. So double click on it and select automatic. Then apply. Then click on OK. Now right click on it and restart. So this is the first method. Second one, if this method not work, so you can try this second one. Open device manager. Now here expand network adapters and right click on your Wi-Fi driver, then update driver. Browse my computer for drivers and select let me pick from a list of available drivers. Then click on next. Now exit and restart. So this is the second method. Third method you can try. Right click on it, your Wi-Fi driver and uninstall device. Just we have to uninstall it, and after uninstall, restart your system. Still you are facing problem, so you can try this final method. Click on start and search settings. Now here click on network and internet, advanced network settings, and here guys click on network reset and reset your network. So once you reset your internet connection with your laptop, restart your system. Hopefully guys, using this method you can fix and resolve. Still you are facing problems, so start. Now here type msconfig. Open system configuration. Now click on services and select these all services. Then just now here just click on enable on. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. And you have to restart. So this is the way guys you can fix and resolve Wi-Fi option not showing in settings. Thanks for watching. Comment this video work for you or not.